Always do your best and you will find that you never need to compare yourself to others. Don't give yourself the opportunity to regret the chance you didn't take. Don't change yourself to win someone's heart. Stay true and you'll find someone who likes you for being you. Happiness is a choice, a state of mind. Surround yourself with quality people, those who bring out the best in you. You are a host. God is your guest. By loving yourself, you will know this. God has chosen you to be a vehicle. If you want to be yourself, sometimes you can't compare the economic benefit with art. Self-confidence and a belief in yourself is a must. To instill confidence in others, you first must have confidence in yourself. Push yourself again and again. Don't give an inch until the final buzzer sounds. The best way to measure your chances of success in any responsibility is the level of faith you have in yourself. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than to be in bad company. Don't be afraid to lose. Listen, and always invest in yourself. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. Once you decide to work for yourself, you never go back to work for somebody else. When you can't change the situation, change yourself. Change your attitude. Promise yourself to be just as enthusiastic about the success of others as you are about your own. Never let the fear of what other people think stop you from being yourself. If you're not failing once in a while, it probably means you're not stretching yourself. Others can stop you for a moment. Only you can stop yourself for good. To be successful, you must decide exactly what you want to accomplish, then resolve to pay the price to get it. If you are right, then you don't have to prove anything, just try and stay right and give time to yourself. If you want like these videos and if you want always be motivated and positive, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. At last, thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep moving.